don't observe a Jewish holiday, can my boss object to it? And I would even talk about Jewish holidays, Good Friday, anything like that. The way that the workaround has always been for me is they have told me when I've been working, I can take them as vacation days or personal days. But legally, is there anything that that a boss can basically do to object to it?
So the first point to be made is religion is the favored child in terms of people's rights today, at least from the point of view of the US Supreme Court. So anything that I say could be different 2 months from now, but they are really, really pushing that people have the right to expression and these sorts of things. But I'm going to say, in terms of the state of the law, the best I could say, companies should grant what are called reasonable accommodations. Now, you may remember that in the area of disability law and the Americans with Disabilities Act, that's exactly the same phrase that's used.
Mm-hmm.
And it has the same meaning. Is there a burden on management that's so high that to grant this particular request, because it's not going to be just to Ken and Alex, it's also going to be to somebody who's Muslim, somebody who's Christian, somebody who's Greek Orthodox. My own thought would be, from the point of view of an enlightened employer, give people as much as they need. Say yes as much as you can. You could say that's not an official holiday for our company, but you can take it as paid time off, right? So again, there's a give and a take.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think most employers are going to say, Shmini Atzeret, sure, unless they're observing it also.
Sure.
Right? Or St. Smithens Day, unless they're observing it or they tell the whole company we're off. Chances are pretty good the reasonable accommodation is going to be take that day off and work the rest of your time. However, what if it's crunch time? You're in an accounting company and it's April 14th and the returns are due on the 16th. And this person says, I'm taking off whatever, there could be some pressure there. And I'm going to say, if I were representing an employer on something like that, I would do everything I could. I'd bend over backwards for religious exceptions. But I'm saying now, some of them will say that's a burden. It's unfair to us. We need to get this out the door. If we let you do it, a lot of people are going to do it. And there's where the fight comes up.